Hi friends, welcome to Dimple's Kitchen. Today I will show you a mutton recipe which is called as Lahsuni Gosht. So it's a simple recipe. So let's check the ingredients needed to make Lahsuni Gosht. So here it's 1 kilo of mutton with bones, chopped onions. Here I have taken medium size 7 onions, ginger chopped with green chilies. Green chilies you can put according to your taste, and ginger will be like 2 inches. I have chopped this in a grater. Chopped cloves, garlic cloves, here it's 15 to 16 cloves chopped, coriander chopped, tomatoes chopped, and onions sliced. I'll cook this in white oil. So, and another dry ingredients which you will need is dry ingredients. You will need coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and fresh this is fresh powder of garam masala. So you will need all of these dry ingredients. So let's check the procedure. The oil is hot, so I will add all these whole spices and bay leaf. Now add you have to fry the onions first, so add the sliced onions. Now saute this onions till it turns its color to brown. You have to be a little patient. Add little salt to fasten up the process. So now I'll add little salt. So you have to wait till the onions turns golden in color. As you can see, it's changing its color to brown. Now I will add chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Continue to stir in medium flame so that the garlic doesn't burn. So fry it nicely. Keep stirring so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And add chopped tomatoes. Now saute this till it leaves oil. Now add the mutton pieces. Lower the heat and saute this mutton pieces with sliced onions, ginger, garlic and tomatoes. Remember, I have not added any salt. Salt I will add once the mutton pieces are a little fried. If I add salt now, the mutton pieces will become tough. So now continue to stir this till the muttons are little semi-fried. Now add all the dry spices. Here I will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I've already added green chilies, so red chili powder I'll put less. And then freshly grounded 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala powder. And 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder I'll add less. Now I'll add salt according to the taste. Salt you check in between. Continue to fry this in medium heat. So this will take another 3 to 4 minutes. So you can see the mutton is nicely sauteed. It has already left oil. Now I will transfer this in a pressure cooker. I'll pressure cook it till 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, check it if the muttons are tender. If not, you can add 1 more whistle. So now let's transfer this in a pressure cooker. So first what I'll do, I will heat some water in a pressure cooker. So water will be according to the gravy you want. So it will be semi-thick gravy. So here I have added 3 cups of water. I'll bring this to boil and then add the mutton pieces. Always do that. So you can see I have transferred this in a pressure cooker, added this in warm water. Always add in a warm water because that way it tastes much better. Don't add mutton in a cold water. So that's a tip. So now I will pressure cook this till 3 whistles.